I'm planning our next project, everyone. Gathering all the coffee and beads I can find. Are you ready for this one? Here we go. Enjoy. So I'm going to start making a bracelet first. The technique we will be using today is brick stitch. I'm using a combination of different seed beads. I'm using miyuki seed beads as well as regular seed beads to give that cool texture.
Please choose a shape, triangle or square. Triangle.
So I'm taking a break from crafting to make this fancy blue cheese bread with jam. Yeah, the family is recommending it now.
Now I will get started on the matching choker. This is Chino. He loves to bead as well. I am really loving brick stitch technique right now. I am definitely going through a brick stitch phase. I have been doing lots of projects with this technique. I'm hoping to share with you what I've been making so far, at least the final product. I honestly have endless ideas for projects. I just wish I had more time and energy to bead.
The choker is now complete. It looks awesome. Merry Christmas, everyone.
I am really happy with the way this choker and bracelet set turned out. I think it's really different and fun. It's something I would definitely wear on a normal day. I love it. On that note, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to make more awesome jewelry and crafts. Have a wonderful and safe 2022, everyone. Bye for now.